Hello budding YouTubers, welcome to the YT Assimilation Club. Did you know, many people just like you and me who are shy before the camera are making money on YouTube without showing their faces? Can you believe that? Yes, there are tons and tons of highly successful channels on YouTube which don't require people to come up before the camera and talk. I am going to reveal to you a list of channels that are doing extremely well and are making a killing every month on YouTube without actually showing their face or making any videos of their own. Also, I am going to give you a secret strategy you can implement that can boost your views and fasten your channel growth. So be sure to watch till the end. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe as we publish videos that help you grow on YouTube. Before that, let's give a shout out to our subscribers. Now, let's see that secret niche that people are so interested in watching again and again. Are you ready? It's the top 10 niche. Yes, top 10 niche. You see, from time and time again I have seen top 10 videos, or simply called list videos, are more interesting to watch than regular videos. Let's see some examples. 10 most insane water slides. 5 people with unique skin color. 10 most expensive things in the world. 10 famous movie stars that went broke. These videos have received millions and millions of views and would have made a good chunk of money with that many views. Let's look at 4 channels that are doing this successfully. Trend Central. Top 5 Best. Paradigm. Nexus. Let's see their monthly views and earnings estimates from Social Blade. These channels get millions of views every month. And one interesting thing to note is that list videos are usually longer than 10 minutes. This not only gives the videos more watch time, but also enables them to place multiple ads or simply mid-roll ads, so these videos typically earn more. These channels are themed around the top 10 topics, and is the main reason behind why top 10 topics are blowing up, because they tend to have a high audience retention. For example, I am watching this video 10 insane water slides.
Number 10. Aqueduct. This epic water coaster ride hurdles you 765 feet through an acrylic tube filled with water on top of a cruise ship.
These videos are generally created in such a way that the best things come at the last. If I am hooked at the 10th water slide, I would be interested to watch other water slides that comes later in the video. This results in increased watch time, and we all know, increased audience retention results in YouTube promoting the shit out of our video, which results in hundreds and thousands of views. The videos these channels produce are a mix of original footage, images, and royalty-free videos. These videos come under a legal term called fair use. Now, don't be worried since I said mention legal. According to YouTube fair use guidelines, fair use is a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyright-protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. Different countries have different rules about when it's okay to use material without the copyright owner's permission. For example, in the United States, works of commentary, criticism, research, teaching, or news reporting may be considered fair use. As long as the video we produce is transformative in nature, which means we have added voiceover that adds commentary and narration, and edited it so it doesn't look exactly like the source video, we are safe. Most of the videos you see on YouTube that have received hundreds of millions of views have made use of this fair use policy to include other people's content in a transformative way. If you are not sure what transformative is,
Hi there guys, this is Simeon from YT Assimilation. Today let's talk about how to transform your YouTube videos the best way to minimize copyright strike.
Then be sure to check this video out where we talk about how to edit your videos that minimizes your risk of a copyright strike. Link in description. Now, the way the content production of these faceless automated channels work is by these following steps. Niche selection, content ideation. Next step is hiring freelancers who then takes care of script writing, voiceover, video production, and thumbnail design. Since our niche is themed around top 10s, we will now see how to get content ideas. Let's go to YouTube, and in the search bar I have typed top 10, and I am going to add in 3 modifiers and see what topics show up. The first modifier is I am going to add top 10 expensive. You can see the list of topics YouTube is suggesting us, these aren't actually YouTube suggesting us, but are what thousands of people are already searching for on a daily basis. Now let's remove expensive and add biggest. You can see another list popping up. Let's now type in smallest, another list popping up. Now we already have over 40 to 50 topics that we can go after for creating these videos. Now let's go to Fiverr and search for someone who can write these scripts for us. I am on Fiverr and I am going to type in top 10 YouTube script. You can see a variety of sellers who offer top 10 style script writing. Now, carefully vet them based on their service description and reviews. Some sellers also offer script and video together. In our opinion, do avoid them, as these sellers will probably have a set of templates that they use on almost all their videos. It's better to get a well-written script first and turn it into voiceover, and then find a video editor who can turn that into video. Make sure to hire a professional thumbnail designer if you are not good at designing them. Now, for the secret tip I will tell at the end. Fiverr sellers link in description, do check it out. Are you ready? This is simply to make these top 10 niche channels in non-English. Many people want to watch these videos in their own languages, and by simple creating them in your own language. Yes, the script and voiceover should be in your native language. The chances of growth are much sooner. I have typed top 10 expensive cars in the world in French. And you see there are some channels popping up. And this channel Hallucinant is showing up 2 times for this keyword for 2 different videos. This means the competition is low for this keyword and not a lot of French videos are available for that keyword. This is the basic idea. Try experimenting this in your own language and share your progress in the comments. Like the video if you feel you are learning something useful. If you have made this far in this video, congratulations. We really wish you success on your YouTube journey. If you want to learn the secret methods of how to get hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube to make more money, then we have a special course for you where we reveal the exact step-by-step process of how videos blow up on YouTube, and how you can implement the strategies we have learned to get similar results. It's running at 25% discount. Check the link in description, guys. We also have a series of videos on our channel for you guys to help you out in your YouTube journey. Link in description. Do check them out. Until next time, peace.